Well, the lawn needs to be cut again. I love this time of year.
Hi, all you wonderful, beautiful people.
Take some stuff out to the shop. Enjoy some of the Ozark ambiance. You guys hear us talking about our one neighbor that lives down the road and up the hill. I think y'all are gonna get to meet our other neighbor, and I can hear him coming. Y'all, we have reinforcements coming to save the day. We're gonna get this sawmill put together and wrapped and tarped before all the rains come in. But I hear him. Oh, he's got the big tractor. He's got the big tractor and a little guy with him. He's coming with backup. Hi guys. We've got some production assistants with us today.
She thinks she's still a puppy.
She is still a puppy.
Yeah. Dogs go on.
There are strange dogs here and they don't know what to make of it. Nuthead. Get your head back in there. No. Now that's enough. So Joel took our loudmouths, Sierra and Farkle, and put them in the house so they won't be out here barking. They were scaring the little munchkin. But nature called, and so the little munchkin, well, Dad's taking his little munchkin back up to the house because she wants to watch her tablet. She doesn't really want to hang out here. But why don't we walk through? What are we doing?
Okay, so
That's gonna go there.
there are two uprights that I've got to get installed. I don't know if I need to take these ones down temporarily for room, but I was getting ready to put the two uprights up here to see what kind of room we have.
And it's Anthony to the rescue.
That way I can have a little bit more wiggle room to be able to adjust.
So when do you think you're going to find out?
Ready to get put in.
It's quite a ways that way.
Yeah.
Oops.
She said, well, we've been just going over the top of fences and this and that. She said, but you've got cattle down there? I said, yeah, I've got cattle down there. She said, well, you ain't got no mean bulls down there that are going to chase us, do you? And I said, well, I better do you this way. You better be able to cross that field in about 10 minutes because the bull can do it in 11.
Now with the way it's rigged up, be damn careful because once we take the weight off of it, these are going to move. Okay, go up a little bit. It's got to be just freaking there. All right.
The beast.
Now, this one's loose. Hang on a minute.
I can get this one off too.
Is that just going to drop?
Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Anthony, go ahead and take.
How about if I try pushing up?
Yep, go up. Yeah, I got this.
Can you, yeah, I was going to say, do that.
There we go. All right, everything free. Oh, your ratchet strap on this side.
Would it help if I pushed on this and kept to keep it from?
No.
Really, this barn is good. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it's catching enough. I think that's the adjuster. We should be okay. Awesome. Yeah, go ahead and back it out. There's no way that I would have been able to get any of that myself. I guess there was a little bit of room in there, but
We got this in the nick of time, guys. Look at those clouds.
Yeah, that's
Look
what
at
I was saying. I didn't know if the rain was going to hold off or not.
We got time. A whiff of that.
Smells almost good enough to eat.
So she can take this off of here to burn it, and that's just, it's scented too, so.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna put it in this little box.
Yeah.
thank you, sir. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate it.
And anytime you need me to take it out and exercise it for you, just holler at me.
Oh, yeah?
I won't have to
Yeah.
help you. All right.
Whoa!
Woohoo!
We're going south.
We're going for a ride.
That's north.
That's west.
That's west.
For the directionally impaired.
Yes, thank you.
So, yeah. I don't know. They say teamwork makes the dream work.
That's right.
I say friendship is the foundation it's all built on.
Oh man, to have friends like him, priceless. Absolutely priceless.
And you know what we found out? He too is allergic to onions.
Who knew? So I got,
We're our own little tribe now.
yeah.
Anyway, so what are you gonna do before the storms roll
So I'm
in?
gonna get the cross member put up here to strengthen it up a little bit more.
Okay.
And then I'll keep an eye on the weather and see what comes. That way I've got time enough to cover it up, and
Aren't these hot sexy?
those are sexy.
You want my boots, don't you?
Maybe tomorrow.
They're too much for you to handle.
Maybe tomorrow. I'll trade you tomorrow.
No.
No.
For a cheeseburger today?
Yeah, there you go.
No, we're doing pizza today.
Pizza.
We're doing homemade pizza.
Pizza.
All right, I'm gonna leave you to it.
Okay.
And
Thanks everybody. We greatly appreciate and love every single one of you.
yeah, thanks for hanging out with us.
We are who we are because of you.
You. So thank you very much. You know what we always say? Keep looking up. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Do that often. Yeah. Keep your attitude of gratitude. And let me tell you what, there's a lot to be grateful for.
Yeah.
All right. God bless you and keep you. May his face shine on you and give you peace.
Peace.
And we will catch you on the flip.
See ya.